Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through the Midjourney AI. I'm going to show you how to get started and how to use it. To get started, we're going to open up an internet browser and go to midjourney.com. We're going to click on join the beta. This will take us to a link where we can then sign in with a Discord account. Now if you don't have one, it's free to sign up with. Discord is kind of like a chat application where you can have certain bots running in the background, which is exactly how Midjourney uses this. So once you've signed up for your Discord account and you've linked it to Midjourney, you will get a landing page like this where you've got all these different channels down the left-hand side and a bunch of different text. What you want to do is you want to go into these newbie rooms. For any new users of Midjourney, this is where you're allowed to go and create your new images. And to create a new image, all you have to do is simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, type /imagine, and then give it your prompt. And this could be anything. Let's say I want a blue panda sitting on the beach. You can get completely creative with this. This will send the command to the Midjourney AI and it will start to process it in the background for you. Now this can take anywhere between 30 seconds and a couple of minutes. And there we have our blue panda sitting on the beach. Now because this is a shared channel, it is quite annoying because you have to keep scrolling up and down to get to your specific artworks. Unfortunately, because it's a free trial, you've just signed up, you have to use these public channels. But if you decide to sign up, you can directly message the Midjourney bot yourself. So you can have like a one-on-one chat going with it, and then that way, all of your images and artworks get stored within that chat history. And you don't have to worry about anyone else coming in and seeing what prompts you've used or having to scroll through thousands of other people's artworks. It's just a collection of your own. So let's have a bit of fun in here and see what we can do. Let's do cute anime person with purple eyes. Let's do cartoon background relaxing beach. We want to make a cute dragon with a glow. As you can see, it can create just about anything. The only limitation is your own imagination. So you can create mobile phone background images, you can create game assets, you can create anime characters, you go nuts. You're only limited by your imagination. Now, if you want to use the same prompt again, what you can do is simply just click this icon here and it will start regenerating some images for you. It'll give you another set of 4 that you can muck around with. These U1, U2, U3, U4 stand for upscale, and what they are is if you like a particular picture, you can request a larger size resolution. So instead of having a tiny little square, you can get a bigger one. So out of this one, I would say 2 and 4 are my favorite. So I'm going to request an upscale of those. It'll go ahead and in the background start processing that for me. Now you might be wondering what V1, V2, V3, V4 are. Those are variations. So if you like a particular image that the AI has created, you can say, hey, please create me another set of images, but use this as the base reference. So let's say I really like this image here with the hammock in it. If I go V4, it's going to create another set of 4 images very similar to this, but there'll be slight differences. As you can see here, we've got 4 images with the exact same hammock and the beach in the background, but slight details are different. Like the umbrella in the background is different, the books on the beach are different, the shadows are different, the trees in the background are different. So just small minor details get changed. And then with the upscale, these are the larger images that you receive. Now, if you really like them, what I suggest is clicking open in browser. This will get you the highest resolution image possible and then save it from there. So that's how you can get started using the Midjourney AI. If you like that and you want to see more of this kind of content, let me know. I've been using this AI for a couple of months now, and so I can give future videos on like AI prompts and how to really hone in your images if that's something you guys are interested in. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.